Okay, guys, welcome back. Oh man, I went to Target yesterday, over the weekend. I found the trophy champion megawrex, guys. Really nice. 50th Bigfoot. Where's the back? We know what the back looks like. Pretty awesome. Cool. So we know what the packaging looks like. To open it up here because of the trophy. There you go. Ooh, okay. This little trophy looks the same one from the Gangster, or the Bone Shaker. Let's go to the truck itself, though. Here it is, guys. Look at this gold. Let's put the light on, see how it shines. Oh, that is nice. Isn't that cool, guys? Look at that. The gold. That is amazing. Pretty cool. And there's a mouth, the top. The die casted tail already. It's actually casted in there. Golden roll cage. The gold mouth, the gold rims and beadlocks. Black tires. Black chassis. The tail. Sorry about screaming in the back. I don't know if you can hear it. So that's what I got, guys. I got 3 more trucks to unbox. Peace out.